You know Dawn cuts grease, but these 10 hacks prove it's basically a secret cleaning weapon. Number 1. Mix a few drops with vinegar to clean glass and mirrors streak-free. Number 2. Use it to remove oil stains from clothes or carpets before washing. Number 3. Scrub greasy kitchen cabinets. It melts through years of buildup. Number 4. Clean outdoor furniture and grill grates without harsh chemicals. Number 5. Add a few drops to hot water to unclog a slow drain or toilet. It breaks surface tension so water pushes through. Number 6. Wash your car paint safely. It lifts grime without dulling the shine. Number 7. Clean paintbrushes after DIY projects. Better than thinner and smells nicer too. Number 8. Make a DIY bug spray. Mix with water and spray on plants to deter pests. Number 9. Soak jewelry or tools in warm soapy water to lift dirt and grease gently. And number 10. The same formula is used to clean wildlife after oil spills. That's how gentle yet powerful it is. Share this before your friend buys another $10 cleaner, because this one bottle does it all.